A very good morning to you and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, Australian shares are set to open lower this morning. Miners are likely to track iron ore prices down, limiting gains on the resource-heavy bourse from optimism around China reopening its borders. The local price index futures fell 0.1% to a 61.3-point discount to the underlying S&P ASX 200 index close. The benchmark ended 0.6% higher yesterday. Now, looking at some business news from this morning now, and construction company Civmec has secured a contract worth more than $330 million for the Rio Tinto Western Range project at their Warrawoona site in the Pilbara region of Western Australia. Civmec's Chief Executive Officer Patrick Talon says this further enhances their long-standing relationship with Rio, and this allows them to start the new year with an order book in excess of $1.15 billion. At peak, the project will employ over 400 people on site and is currently scheduled for completion in the first half of financial year 2025. Cannabis medicine company the Cann Group announced today that Peter Coetzee has been appointed to the role of Chief Executive Officer. He'll start next week. He'll replace Peter Crock, who was appointed back in 2016. Mr. Coetzee brings more than 30 years of experience within global pharmaceutical companies. He's most recently been head of Asia Pacific for French biopharmaceutical company Ipsen, and previous senior management positions with AstraZeneca UK and Bristol Myers Squibb in Europe. And Calidus Resources is pleased to declare commercial production at the Warrawoona Gold Project. The processing plant is now operating at nameplate capacity. 5,053 ounces of gold was produced in December. Estimated unaudited cash costs for December are approximately $2,050 per ounce. Well, now it's time for a short break. Stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from Anchor to Zerocoin.
And welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. S&P 500 companies are about to kick off the fourth quarter earnings period with results from top US banks expected later this week. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 112.96 points or 0.34%. The S&P 500 lost 2.99 points or 0.08%. And the Nasdaq Composite added 66.36 points or 0.63%. Now, over in Europe, the Stoxx 50 is up 1.5%, the FTSE is up 0.3%, CAC is up 0.9%, and the DAX is up 1.4%. Moving on to oil now, and Brent crude was up 1.5% to $79.76 a barrel. Spot gold was up 0.3% to $1,871 an ounce. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.